Susuportahan niyo, ma'am, yung bagong leadership po.
May 13, di ba? Common sense, di ba? What's in the rules?
Yes.
What's in the Constitution? When you
Article
have
2, Section
13,
2.
yun lang. So pag
Yes.
hindi sumunod sa rules, doon lang naman kami may problema. Pero pag sumunod sa Constitution at sa rules, there's no problem. That's just how it is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Sen. May we just get your short reaction, Sen, sa palitan ng liderato, yung bagong Senate President? What your reaction, sir, sa bagong Senate President?
Oh, I congratulated him already.
Tapos na po. So, let's move on with the new leadership, with the new majority. This is democracy. Ganun naman talaga.
Oo naman, simple lang to. Pag may mayorya ka ng 24, a majority of all its members, then you have the leadership. Ganong kasimple. Sundin lang natin ang rules, di ba? The work has never stopped. The work never stops. And the work will never stop.
Is this a fresh start, ma'am? May bagong liderato, 13 sila.
Every day is a fresh start.
Bawat oras, bawat minuto na may gulo po sa politika, ang nasasakripisyo po ang serbisyo sa ating mga kababayan. Marami pong madidelay na batas.